Find the moment and center of mass of the lamina of uniform density delta under f of x equal x squared and above the x-axis from x equals 0 to x equal 2. So first we sketch the graph. We only look at the region between x equals 0 and x equal 2. Now recall that x bar is 1 over a times the moment about the y-axis. Y bar is 1 over a times the moment about the x-axis. Area is the integral from a to b, f of x dx. The moment about the y-axis is the integral from a to b, x times f of x dx. And the moment about the x-axis is 1/2 the integral from a to b, f of x squared dx. We ignore the density because it is uniform. If the density is uniform, the density will cancel out. And so the moment about the y-axis is the integral from 0 to 2 x times x squared dx. The integral from 0 to 2 x cubed dx. The antiderivative is x to the 4th over 4. Evaluated from 0 to 2, we have 1 over 4, 2 to the 4th, minus 0 to the 4th. 2 to the 4th power is 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. The moment about the x-axis is the integral from 0 to 2, 1/2 of the function squared, and so x squared squared dx. So that is 1/2 the integral from 0 to 2, x squared squared is x to the 4th dx. The antiderivative of x to the 4th is x to the 5th over 5. And so it will give us 1 over 10 x to the 5th power. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus, we plug in 2 and we plug in 0 and evaluate them. We get 1 over 10 times 32, which is 32 over 10. Simplifying this, we have 16 over 5. Lastly, the area is the integral from 0 to 2 f of x times dx. The antiderivative of x squared is 1/3 x cubed. Evaluate from 0 to 2. We have 1/3. 2 cubed minus 0 cubed. 2 to the 3rd power is 8. 8 over 3. And so x bar equals 1 over a times the moment about the y-axis. The moment about the y-axis is 4, and a is 8 over 3. And so this is 4 times 3 over 8, which is 12 over 8. 12 over 8 is 3 over 2. Y bar is 1 over a times the moment about the x-axis, which is 16 over 5 divided by 8 over 3. This is 16 over 5 times 3 over 8. Simplifying this, we'll get 6 over 5. And so the center of mass is 3 over 2, 6 over 5. We now go back to the graph and locate the center of mass. X bar is 1.5 and Y bar is 1.2. And so there it is, the center of mass. 3 over 2, 6 over 5.